Okay, welcome to the Code with Mukesh Badgujar. Here we are seeing our next point, next tutorial about Python pro tips. Okay, so in the Python pro tips, we have learning and searching about any pro tips in the Python that not everyone is knowing about that. Okay, so there is one thing I got it. Okay, so I need to tell you that. Okay, in Python, you see that there is some immutable objects, right? You know there are so many immutable objects. Yeah, you know. No, you just know the tuple is immutable in a Python, but no, it's wrong. Not just a tuple, but there are some other data types which are also immutable in the Python. Yeah, yes, right. Okay, now which are they that are immutable in Python? First, we talk about what are the mutable types. Okay, there is a list. List is a mutable because we can change the element in a list via the indexing assignments. Okay, also we can change the sets. Also, we can change the dictionaries. Other than that, there are some data types which are immutable. Immutable means the item does not change. Okay, in that the first thing is that integer, float, double, boolean are the all things are immutable, including strings also. Yeah, right, strings also immutable. So how we know that? Okay, we just checking it by the code. Okay, see here first, first I just uncommenting this tuple. Okay, we all know that tuple is immutable, so it will not work because tuple doesn't support item assignment. Same as the string are also immutable, right? Yes, strings are also immutable. So if I want to change the this first index, okay, first index of the string, so it will again show me the str object doesn't support item assignment, means strings are also immutable. Yes, absolutely. And in the other thing, there is a integers or floats. As you can change the numbers directly here. You, if you want integer, then just change the integer, and if you want float, then just change it with the float. Okay, now let's assume we just assign n to the 100. Okay, sorry, 100 to the n and 300 to the this n. Okay, first we just run this thing, and after that this thing will be run, and I just run it both at a time. Okay, I just need here a slash n, okay, to the separate the output. Okay, now I got the separate output for that. Okay, now see, when n is 100, the idea of n is this. Okay, to represent it in a memory, we just need a hex function to know in what format the id is represented in a memory address. So this is the memory address whichever n is stored. Okay, now if we think that there is a here is 100, means here is a n, its address is this, and if we go by the value, we can also go by the value and check the address of the value where the value is stored. So we can just writing here the value 100 same as it is, so we can get the memory address. So the memory address will be same for this. Okay, now we assign n to the 300, right? So we have assigned 300 to the n. Now there is some change in the memory location. The id is changed and the location is also changed, right? See, we have written the same thing here, right? Now what happened at the backend? It just removes, means it just leaves the memory of 100 and creates a new memory location in the memory and assign it 300 and pointing to the n. So it doesn't change the value of 100. It not changing the value of 100. It just creating a new memory address and pointing to that, not changing. Means numbers are also immutable in a Python. So these are the Python pro tips you will know very much. Okay. One more thing, we can see the list are mutables in what conditions? In these conditions. Okay, I just need to comment this out. Okay, you can get this code on my GitHub. See, now if we added some element into the list, the memory address will be the same for both. So lists are mutable, right? Means it can be changed inside the memory, means inside the memory location, but immutable objects in immutable data types are not changing. So they are just creating a new, or they just not change. So these are the new things to know, you all of you. So thanks for watching, and this is the Python pro tips tutorial. Okay, thank you.